Did you know that the average person spends about 6 hours a week cleaning? That's a full workday every single week dedicated to scrubbing, dusting, and organizing. It's mind-boggling when you think about it, isn't it? With all that time spent, you'd think we'd all have sparkling homes and perfectly organized lives. But let's be real. Cleaning can often feel like a never-ending battle against dirt and clutter. And if you're anything like me, you've probably found yourself frustrated more times than you can count, wishing there was a faster, easier way to tackle the mess. Welcome to your ultimate guide to cleaning anything, fast and easy. In this monologue, I'm going to share with you some game-changing cleaning methods that will not only save you time, but also make the whole process a lot less daunting. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling a million tasks, or just someone who wants to reclaim their weekend, this guide is for you. So, let's dive in. First off, let's talk about those common frustrations we all face. You know the ones: time constraints, ineffective cleaning products that promise the world but leave you with nothing but streaks, and the overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to start. Maybe you've tried cleaning your kitchen only to realize that the living room is now a disaster zone. Or you've spent an hour trying to get rid of those pesky stains on your carpet, only to find they've spread. It's enough to make anyone want to throw in the towel. But here's the good news. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore that consumes your life. There are efficient methods and clever hacks that can transform your cleaning routine from a dreaded obligation into a manageable, even enjoyable task. Let's break it down by surfaces and items, so you know exactly what to do when you're faced with a mess. Starting with the kitchen, one of the most high-traffic areas in any home. A quick and effective way to clean your countertops is to use a mix of vinegar and water. It's a natural disinfectant that cuts through grease and grime without the harsh chemicals. Just spray it on, let it sit for a minute, and wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. Speaking of microfiber, investing in a few good microfiber cloths can save you loads of time. They trap dust and dirt better than traditional cloths and can be washed and reused, making them both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Now let's move on to the bathroom. If you're tired of scrubbing your shower tiles for what feels like an eternity, I've got a hack for you. Grab a spray bottle and fill it with equal parts vinegar and dish soap. Spray this mixture on the tiles and let it sit for about 15 minutes. When you come back, you'll find that the soap scum practically wipes away with minimal effort. It's like magic. And don't forget about your toilet. Pour some baking soda and vinegar in there, let it fizz, and then scrub with a toilet brush. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your toilet fresh without breaking a sweat. Let's not forget about floors, which can be a real pain to clean. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or carpet, there are quick methods to keep them looking their best. For hardwood floors, a simple mixture of water and a few drops of dish soap will do the trick. Just make sure to wring out your mop so it's damp, not soaking wet. Too much water can damage the wood. For tile, a steam mop can work wonders, cutting through grime without the need for harsh chemicals. And if you have carpets, sprinkle some baking soda on them before vacuuming to help neutralize odors and give them a fresh feel. Now let's talk about those little items that often get overlooked but can accumulate dust and dirt over time. Think about your remote controls, light switches, and door handles. These are high-touch areas that need regular cleaning. A quick wipe with disinfectant wipes or a cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol can make a big difference in maintaining cleanliness and hygiene. And don't forget about your electronics. A soft brush can help you get into those tight spaces on your keyboard, while a microfiber cloth is perfect for screens. But here's the ultimate cleaning tip that I can't stress enough. Set a timer. Yes, you heard me right. When you give yourself a specific time limit, it creates a sense of urgency that can actually make cleaning feel like a game. Whether it's 10 minutes for tidying up the living room or 20 minutes for a quick kitchen scrub down, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you focus. Plus, when the timer goes off, you can reward yourself with a break or a treat, making the whole process feel less like a chore and more like a challenge. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to cleaning anything, fast and easy. I hope these tips and tricks help you reclaim some of that precious time you're spending on cleaning. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's tackle those messes together and make cleaning a breeze. Happy cleaning!